This session is about the endocrine system, which is a very small section in the CPT manual. So we all know the endocrine glands, right? It starts from the pituitary, the thyroid, the thymus, parathyroid, and the glands, glandular, pancreas, and all that. Here we have a list of glands which are not, being listed in their respective sections. For example, if you find pituitary gland, it will be there within the brain or the central nervous system. If you have like pancreas, it will be there within the digestive system. If you have these gonads, these are there in the reproductive or the external genitalia or the internal genitalia, that reproductive system. Here, these glands are not classified in any of those areas, so we have a separate section here. So in this section, we'll be talking about the thyroid predominantly, and about the parathyroid, the thymus, and the adrenal gland. Coming to thyroid gland, this is a major gland that is involved in maintaining the basal metabolic rate actually. For metabolism, thyroid gland is very much needed. So it is located in the thyroid fossa, and you have this Adam's apple just beneath this. On each side we have this thyroid lobes actually. So the thyroid gland is in the form of two lobes, the right and the left. Both are being joined by the isthmus of thyroid. So in between the tissues of the thyroid, we have the parathyroid gland.